Okay, I had a vision for this page, but Microsoft Word was just not letting me be great. So with this, I imported it into Affinity Photo and I created a PDF before I did that. And so now all of these pieces are editable. So I'm going to group all of these together. Let me see. Group. That's what I want. And so we're going to move that over to the side. And what I really want here is this picture frame tool. I think I want it like this big. Okay. Then I want to place this photo, place photo 34, ornate design. There it is. Jeremiah. Okay, it's kind of big. So let's make it a winksy smaller and move it over. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. And so let's put this guy over here. Now we can take this group. Let's see how we're going to do this. Let's duplicate this page. So let's take him off for right now. And we're going to take this group over here. And we're going to say ungroup. So we're going to take, oh, okay, let's undo that. So I don't know. Let's see. Like this. Oh, put that back. Okay, let's put it up here. Like that. And I want these to flow around here. So let's put 3. And then 3. Like that. And, oops, I didn't get all of them. Like this, maybe. Oh, it works perfectly. Okay, great. So let's move this over and move this over. So this gives me like way more control. Trying to delete. Okay, there you go. There. So let's see. Let's group this one and group this one. I know just about enough of Affinity Photo to be dangerous. So I want these to be aligned at the top. Now, how do I do that? Align center, align top. There we go. Boom. Boom, ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. Okay. Let's ungroup this. Let's see if we can move this guy closer to there. I am feeling this. And now we want this dude back. This dude back over here. And what I like about Affinity Photo versus Word Oh, so great. Let's see. How do I get this on top? Arrange, move to front. There we go. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I want this little part here is cut off. So let's see if I do a selection and property scale minimum fit. Oh, scale maximum fit. Stretch to fit? Nope. Okay, maybe is it really just cut off in my picture? No, it's down there. Okay, so there we go. So there. Hmm. Okay, this is what I was going for. This still looks too high. So let's bring it down like that. Oh, that looks good. But this page is page 2, and we can delete this page. Looking good. Okay. Now, these little icons, ungroup, is not quite matching the colors that I like to use. So let's see if we can just get rid of them. Yeah. Like that. Like that. I'm liking this already. Yeah, and it makes a page a little less busy. Perfect. Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to save as week 34. So I'm going to name this Affinity Publisher. And now I want to export as a PDF. Export PDF. There we go. Oh, and I also need to export the pictures. Export PNGs. I don't need transparency, but I don't even see how to choose that. I don't know. Anyway, export. Save. Now, let's pull up the picture itself. Look at that beauty. I'm loving it. Okay.